Hey everyone, Dan from ON1 here. I want to show you a cool new pano feature inside of ON1 Photo RAW 2018. I have a series of 3 photos that I shot in Yosemite that will make up this panorama. I've already gone through and I've done some edits to them. I've used lens correction and I've even converted them to black and white. I made sure I used the same settings on all 3 so that the panorama will merge together correctly. I'm just going to select these 3 photos together and then I'll click over here on the pano button. Here we go. When the panorama dialog comes up, you'll see your finished results. You have the option to control what happens to the edges. I can use the no crop option, at which point we can see the areas outside of the lens distortion, or I can use the crop option, or I can use the warp to fill option, which will stretch the edges to fill the entire frame. I like the crop option. I can then control what happens when I'm done. I can either send the photo back to browse, or I can go straight to develop our effects. There's also a cool option here called Add Panoramic Metadata. When this is turned on, it adds additional metadata that will allow the file that's created to be spinnable inside of Facebook or other panorama-aware applications. I'll show you that here in a second. When I hit the Save button, it creates a new TIFF or PSD file based on my preferences. There's my resulting panorama right there. Here's what one of those panoramas posted to Facebook looks like. This is the normal flat option when you don't have the extra panorama metadata enabled. When you do turn it on, it'll make a big full-screen spinnable panorama that feels like you're standing right there. There you go. That's the new Panorama Merge feature in ON1 Photo RAW 2018.